Good Tuesday morning. Starting in the Dixie as usual here. Not a ton has happened. We have pushed slightly lower, maybe back down to test this demand zone again. If we break through this demand zone, we're going to be back in this range that we were in for months. So obviously that's not the desired play. I mean, if you trade ranges, then I suppose you would prefer that, but I do not prefer that. I would prefer the upside play. Yeah, so we go down to the 1 hour. Kind of see, broke out of this, tested it again, and looks like we just want to put in a double bottom here, which is what I'm hoping happens because I did take a position on the euro dollar after this impulsive move up. Little pocket of demand on the 1 hour, and it's above the EMA, so I did take a long position, and I'm just trying to run it back up to that little supply level up here, which would be the other demand level on the dollar index. So I do think it could run back up there, put in a double top before rolling over. And again, I would much rather see a play to the downside on the euro dollar. I'd rather see the euro dollar move to the downside in the the midterm. Short term, I obviously wanted to go up there and hit my target, but I could see it rolling over from there, and that would be preferred. So 823, the SPX isn't going to show us anything, so we're going to go over to the futures contract here, back it out to the 4 hour. Not a whole lot going on here. No definitive move one way or the other. Kind of see. Yesterday we didn't do a whole lot. And then since then we haven't done a whole lot. It's just kind of consolidating. Supply up here. Demand down here. Supply up here. This the supply zone I want to see tested. So not a whole lot. Nothing else to say. Let's move on. The current positions that I got. Back to the euro yen here. Again, I got long off this demand zone right here. And we did pull back, like I said, pull back, and then we're at this critical point right here. If we break through this with enough force, pull back into it, then run up. That would be the hope. So we're watching that one pretty closely. Let's hop on over to pound Aussie. Yesterday, I thought that my stop loss was going to be toasted, as we kind of had this little false breakout here. Kind of see what I'm talking about. Broke through, kind of consolidated around, came back down to test it, and obviously it fell through, but we did rally off this trend line. Hopefully we see a rollover here. Yeah, not a whole lot to say here either. Pretty much in the same spot that it was yesterday. And the last thing is this Aussie dollar has moved away from the setup that I had hoped for, which would have been a little something like this. Running it back down. We have moved away from that, so it is what it is. And yeah, good luck on this Tuesday. Stay safe out there in the markets, and have a good day.